All right, how do we write an equation for a hyperbola? Well, we decide if its transverse axis is horizontal or vertical. Like, does it go this way or this way? Once we know that, if they go around, like if the vertices are on the x-axis, so they go like this, or like this, the y-axis. Then we know who comes first. So I kind of just like write out the formula, and then I figure out who gets A and B, and then I write the equation. Okay, so like this one. Write an equation for the hyperbola with the following characteristics. Foci, at 0, 3, 0, 3. And 0, -3. Okie dokie. And then the transverse axis length is 4. So that must mean that my vertices are up to, down to. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. If that's the case, who comes first, x squared or y squared? Yeah, y squared comes first. X squared is second, equals 1. Okay, so my A, 2 times 2 is 4. All right, now, this is 5. If you're like, what? Well, because I know c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared is 9 because it's 3 squared. And this is 4, so 4 plus what? And I don't have to square root it or anything because b squared actually goes there. So y squared over 4 minus x squared over 5. One more. Write an equation for the hyperbola following. Okay, so vertices at 3 plus or minus 3. So right away you know it's going to be x squared first. Minus y squared equals 1. Okay, if the vertices are that, so 3 squared is 9. I think this is going to be 16. Okay, let's see. Because the foci is at plus or minus 5. That's right here. So it goes like that. That's terrible, but I just want to graph. Okay, so then I know c squared equals 20. C squared is 25 equals 9 plus what? B squared. Well, 9 plus 16 makes 25. So it's 16. Got it.